We are in the 8th day since I had my stem cells shots, and I'm very well pleased with what's happened so far. I'm doing the rehab in a pool, walking, just moving around, which is very essential to this healing process. And as we've mentioned before, this process of stem cells is a marathon. It's not something that's a fix overnight. It takes 4 to 6 months for everything to be, they say, if it's going to work then. Like I said, I'm in day 8, and I've had 2 rounds of the laser therapy along with my rehab, and I feel like I'm making some progress. I'm better than I was 8 days ago. The water rehab really helps. Now, I still have a little bit of issues with my knees, but I guess that's necessary in a long marathon like this is. Again, I'm better than I was 8 days ago. And within probably next week, sometimes towards the end of the week, I'll get back into the gym and start my workouts. So I've been enough time to do it. But the key, I think, and for anything like this is to take it day by day. And I keep using this term, it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. Do that.